All right,
Abe. Up right now.
Abe is opening up his birthday gift from Joanna. Turn it around. Hey, this is Joanna from the band Glasspirits. You will see the rest of my bandmate's reaction at the end of this video and him using it on one of his snare drum cases. I just wanted to do this time lapse of the making of these drum case labels. They're basically luggage tags with pictures of the snare drums to help get him more organized because right now there's no labels on his snare drum cases. At any time, he has between 11 to 12 snares, depending on what he buys, sells, and trades. And, I'm not a drummer, but I'm an organized person, and I've been in a band with Abe for 7 years, and I see him open up cases just to see what's inside them. And sometimes he doesn't get to the snare drum he wants to right away. So yeah, the pictures of the drums were printed at FedEx Kinko's, and the luggage tags were bought at Daiso. And this is a time lapse to show you the process of what I did to make them in case anyone else is interested in doing something like this. And a little bit about us. We are a two-piece band. I play guitar and sing, and Abe plays drums and percussion. Abe endorses Spaun Drums and Scymtek cymbals, which is why you'll see me on the Spaun Drums website looking for some of his drum sets that are on there. And I'm using Adobe Photoshop to get all the pictures organized and consistent, so that way they're all like the same size and look, pretty neat and organized. I print them out at Kinko's. I cut the pictures out and put them on the luggage tag. I also showed up to his house unannounced and brought them to him. So here's his reaction.
Oh, this is really nice. How cool. This is really sharp. It's a collection of my snares.
It's for your bags, your drum bags. You put them on your drum bags.
Wow. Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, so to label all your equipment. Get it?
I no longer have this, though, or this.
Which one?
Oh, this one I have.
Yeah, you have that one.
This one I don't have.
Oh, okay.
That's cool. Oh my God, this is so cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
This is really neat.
Can you put one on one of them?
Of course. Here, we gotta go down here. Oh wait, they're over here. My bad.
Is there a light back there?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let me see, but...
Do you remember what's even in?
Yeah, this is the fire one.
Okay.
Pretty sure.
Okay, cool.
Look at my shoes.
You gotta check?
I think it's the last one, yeah. Okay, so this is the fire one.
Okay.
It's the last one. So how would this go?
You just open it up, there's a button. You just pop the button open.
Oh, and put it around the handle?
Yeah.
Like that?
Is there a smaller handle? I thought there was a smaller handle.
Yeah,
so do it with that one.
This is so cool. You're like so inventive. You really are.
Other way.
Yeah.
See, then you don't have to fuck around trying to remember what's in what.
Yeah, no, this is great. This is really good.
Okay. And then it should just snap.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so let's turn it this way
That
a little
is
bit.
So cool, man.
So we can see, finally, Abe is labeling his drum snares.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And I'm not asking you to put them all on, but
I will.
Yeah.
I mean, can I do it tomorrow? You want me?
Oh, no, there's no rush. I mean, you just did one, so that's fine.
Okay, cool.
So,
Thank
okay.
you very much.
You're welcome very
great.
much.